Hi everyone, welcome to BananaCrystal platform. In today's video, I'll be showing us how to make offers on the platform. Alright, on the left hand side of the dashboard where you have your P2P trades, you click on it, you scroll down to where you have create offers. It states here for verified brokers only. So if you're a broker on the platform, you've only created an account but you've not completed the KYC, you won't be able to create offer on our platform. It is ensured that you verify your account, complete your KYC, and start creating offers for other users to engage on the platform. So today, I'm going to show us how to create a Sell USD offer. You click on Sell USD, it will take us to this page where you fill out the necessary information. The sell has already been clicked automatically, and these steps here, it is essential you go through them. It's quite a simple process, but yes, it's always good to read on it. So my payment method is bank transfer. But we have other methods here. We have over 300 methods on the platform to accept payment. Then my currency, I'll allow it to remain in Naira, or we have USDT and every other currency here for you to accept on the platform. Then country, I'll be choosing Nigeria. Then you can add your bank account if you've not done that. So you follow this prompt and it will just fill up this information. Simple as these steps. It's just 2 steps and you're done adding your account details. Ensure you're adding the right account number and also the username and also the bank name, because that's where you'll be receiving your payments. I already have mine, so all I have to do is to click on this and click on next. Then it will bring me to this page where I have my price rates. So choose the rates you want. So we have 2 options here. We either choose the market price or the fixed price. Then we scroll down to where we have price setting. So you say set limits and rates. The first range offer limit is this 2 options: to use a range or to use a fixed amount. So I'll click on range. When you click on range, you have the minimum and the maximum. So you can choose what the least you'll be able to accept on the platform. Then you can choose the highest you'll be able to accept on the platform. It goes into million. Yeah, so basically on the platform you cannot go above your account balance. So unfortunately I'll stick to this. Then the maximum amount should not exceed 1,510 naira. Okay, this changes. Okay, this changes with time, with whatever you click here. This changes. You see, my minimum cannot exceed the maximum. All right, so it changes. So you can always watch out for this this blue box here. It directs you on what to do about your range. Also, we have videos here to explain better to us the steps, okay, because they are vitals on how we make profit on the platform. Then the margin, also essential, so it's part of the video we have here. So click here to always watch on how to set your margin and how to go about your price lists and price range. This 5% is our market price. So no matter what you add on the platform, you make 5% profit. But if you're overzealous and you want to make more percentage, it is flexible. That's why we give every broker the opportunity to choose what percentage they want to make profit on the platform. So you can choose above, and this is what you'll be getting above the market price, or you can go below the market price and this is what you'll be getting. Either the broker's choice to choose his price, how to set his price, and how much profits. It will be stated there how much you'll be making at the end of the day. Then it's the offer time limit is 30 minutes. So you have to ensure that whoever that is engaging on your trade, you always be fast to conclude the trade within 5 minutes, because it will expire. And you click on next step. Then we have these offer tags. So they've already added one for us. So you can add any other tag you like bank transfers only, or rules. Basically, just you can set up rules you want. Then no third parties, only accept bank transfer, and transaction receipts, payment receipt has to be sent via the chat box. So you can just basically freestyle with your tag. It's just rules that you want the user or whoever is engaging with your trade to follow. You can say offer terms, say fast and reliable, right? Then you click on submit. When you click on submit, you get this notification: your offer has been created successfully. Offer created successfully. You click on OK. So now to view, remember to view your Sell USD offer, you'll be seeing them here. So you refresh this page and you see your offers here. Okay, this is it. All right, customer demo. This is my offer. So ensure that whenever you create it, you come here so that it will be displayed on this platform where users can easily click on buy and engage with you on the go. I'm on, that's why it's showing me, so I can engage with myself on the platform, right? Okay, so that's how you create a Sell USD offer on the platform. It's easy, it's simple. You follow the steps and you will be able to create a sell offer, and it will be advertised here for users that are on the platform to engage with your trade and buy from you, basically. So that's the end of our video today. The next video will be how to create a buy offer. See you in the next one. Bye.